Hi, this video will show about our IPDT wallplate with the IR transmission as well. So here we have the setup. Basically right now we can see this is the receiver wallplate. So on the wallplate receiver side we have a HDMI cable to the TV here. Then we have the IR receiver on this side, and it's the IR remote control for the player. Then on the back side, and we have the power supply. Then we have the LAN cable directly output. The LAN cable is 100 meters. Then from the LAN cable to the transmitter side. So on the transmitter side, we have the IR transmitter cable, and we have the HDMI in, which is from the player over here. Okay. So now what are we going to do? We're going to use the IR remote control like from 100 meters away to control the player box to start playing a video. And what we can do is we can just like have something cover this player box. Okay, so we have something cover this box, and if we use the IR remote control, like right now, if we didn't plug this USB cable here, now we actually cannot do the control of the player, right? We cannot control it. So now what we're going to do, we're going to just have the IR cable plug back to the wallplate receiver side once we plug in, and we have the IR remote control aim to this IR transmitter. Now we can start controlling, right? Now I'm just going to play a video and check it out. Right, where you start playing a video and increase the sound volume, turning it down. So basically without the IR cable plugged in, we actually cannot control the player over that side, just because that one is actually we have something covered. Why the IR remote control cannot control the player box directly. Okay, so this is the wallplate, and basically you can control like both. This wallplate can transmit both the HDMI with the IR and then to the display. But we need to know that this one is only for the one-way IR transmission. You cannot do both way. Okay, thank you.